Hey guys, welcome to the next blueprint. And in this video, we will solve two examples related sa Newton's law of cooling. So, as we have discussed uh, in the last video, na-learned ako kung paano na-derive ang Newton's law of cooling. So, now is the time to solve a problem. Okay? So, first is this problem. So, an object inside a house has a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, so ara siya sulod sang balay. May ara siya temperature nga 70 degrees Celsius. So it is then brought outside where the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. So 3 minutes later, its temperature naging 25 degrees Celsius na lang. So what is the temperature after 4.5 minutes? So kagina or sa previous video, we have the temperature of the object. This is the variable part is equivalent to TO. TO is the temperature sang surroundings plus A times E raised to K times T. So T is the time variable, A is the unknown, and K is also another unknown. Okay? So, let us the given, i-determine ta. So, the object has inside the house has a temperature nga 70 degrees Celsius. So, this means nga ang object halin siya sa sulod sang house nga may ara sa 70 degrees Celsius tapos ginpagawa siya sa balay, that would mean nga ang iya nga initial nga temperature is 70 degrees Celsius. So that means nga T at time equals 0 is 70 degrees Celsius. So is 70 ko na lang. So aton nga ang units dapat consistent degrees Celsius and minutes. Okay? So, where it is then brought, where the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. So, ang temperature sa outside is amo na sa ang temperature sang surroundings nga wherein dara na immerse ang object, that would be 10 degrees Celsius. So, TO equals 10 degrees Celsius. So, 3 minutes later, its temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Ang silingon, at T equals 3 minutes, or temperature at 3 minutes is equivalent to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay? 5 degrees Celsius. So, what is the temperature after 4.5 minutes? Okay, so temperature at 4.5 minutes amo naton nga pangita. Okay? So again, may ara ta duwa ka unknown, ang A kag ang K. So pangitaon tani ang A kag ang K first. So, gamiton ta aton nga mga initial values. So, are ang theta is wala pa isang variable, then the T sub O is 10 plus A times E raised to K times T. So first i-substitute ang T sub O sa dire. Okay, kung pila ang values ng T sub O. Next is to find the A. Okay, so paano tayo makita ang A? That would be at T equals 0, 70 degrees Celsius siya. So 70 degrees Celsius siya equals 10 plus A times E raised to K times T equals 0. Okay, so amo ni sa sugod-sugod, so ang T tani is equal to 0. This is the initial. So sa initial, ang aton nga time is 0. So 70 will be 10 plus, so A. So E raised to 0 is 1. Okay? So from this, makuha ta na nga A equals 60. Okay? May A na ta equals 60. So, kuha ta na. Then, i-rewrite na siya. T equals 10 plus, so 8 natin is 60 times E raised to K times T. So, ang K, amo naman yung unknown ta subong. So, paano tapong itawan ang K? So, nagamit na siya para makuha ang A, are gamiton ta naman siya para makuha ang K. So, after 3 minutes ko, T equals 3 minutes. that would be 25 degrees Celsius ang temperature ng body. So, 25 degrees Celsius siya kuno ang temperature ng body equals 10 plus 60 times E raised to K nga unknown times time nga 3 minutes. So, after 3 minutes. Okay? So, Ari is at time equals 0. Then, Ari is time equals 3 minutes. Okay? So, minutes ang atong ginagamit nga time subong. So, simplifying, this will be 25 minus 10 is 15 equals 60 times E raised to 3K. Or 15 over 60 equals E raised to 3K. Kaya mo na siya. Then, by laws of logarithm or by algebraic manipulation, we have 3K equals ln of 15 over 60 is 0.25 or 1/4. Okay, so we have K is equivalent to ln of 0.25 over 3. Okay, so negative 0.4621. Okay, so amo na siya ang values ang K. So, may K na ta. So, are, i-rewrite ni siya with K. So, direct dayon. This will be T equals 10 plus 60 times E raised to negative 0.4621 times T. Okay, so na-establish na natin nga equation nga temperature sang body as a function of time. May K na ta. So, we can now answer the temperature after 4.5 minutes. So, T at 4.5 minutes will be equal to 10 plus 60 times E raised to negative 0.4621 times 4.5. Okay? Then, the answer is 10 plus 60 times E raised to negative 0.4621 times 4.5. So, the answer is 17.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, now, so this is now the answer. Okay? So, recap na lang sa aton nga, first problem, kung paano siya solve. First is to, amo natin nga equation nga na-derive ta sa kagina from the Newton's law of cooling from dire, naging amo na ni siya. Okay, so amo na ni siya. So, let us determine the T sub O. So, T sub O is the temperature of the surroundings. So, from this problem is that is 10 degrees Celsius. So, kinahanglan ta dayon pangitaon or i-identify ang duha ka kondisyon. So, una is ang at T equals 0. So, ang sa dire, from this problem, ang iya nga initial temperature is 70 degrees Celsius. So, at T equals 0, ang temperature niya is 70 degrees Celsius. Then, another nga condition is 3 minutes later. So, 3 minutes later, so, amo ni siya, T equals 3, 25 degrees Celsius siya. And the required is the temperature after 4.5 minutes. So, are. So, sa diri nga equation, we have unknown nga A, kag we have unknown nga K. So, ang T sub 0, i-substitute na lang, 10 siya. Then, ang A kag K pangitaon. So, ang A makita ta by using the initial nga condition which is at T equals 0. Ang K, makita ta siya at T equals 3 minutes or kung ano ang another nga condition na given sa problem. Then after sina, pwede ta na ma-solve ang temperature at 4.5 minutes. So, na-establish na ang aton nga equation.